This facility produces millions of cans of beef ravioli each year. Every step is engineered for consistency and safety. Production begins with controlled raw material intake. Durum wheat semolina forms the pasta base. Cold chain control prevents microbial growth. Sauce production starts with aseptic paste. Every batch is inspected before use. Strict hygiene protects the process. Precise ratios define pasta quality.
Hydration activates gluten development. Temperature control prevents damage.
Resting stabilizes elasticity. Controlled thawing protects texture. Cooking eliminates harmful bacteria. Heat and pressure are tightly controlled. Uniform filling ensures sealing integrity. Moisture balance is critical.
Sheet thickness is precisely controlled.
Alignment prepares for filling. Portion control ensures consistency. The ravioli structure is formed. Seals must withstand cooking. Defects are removed immediately. Blanching sets structure. Heat exposure is carefully timed. Cooling prevents overcooking. Sauce consistency affects safety.
Even heat transfer is essential.
Containers must be contamination-free.
Portion accuracy is maintained.
Headspace allows expansion. Sealing begins immediately. Hermetic seals protect the product.
Seal integrity is verified.
Sterilization is the final safety barrier. Heat destroys bacteria and spores. Cans are now shelf-stable. Controlled cooling prevents damage. Traceability is applied. Each can is uniquely identified.
Net contents are verified.
Seal strength ensures safety.
Random sampling confirms quality.
Products are prepared for shipping.
Packaging protects during transport. Automation ensures consistency. Loads are stabilized. Finished goods are stored. Climate control preserves quality. Orders are prepared for shipment. Distribution spans the nation. Traceability continues beyond the factory.
The final product is complete.
This process operates at massive scale. Every system works together. Safety underpins every step. Speed. Speed never compromises control. From raw materials to shelf-stable food. Industrial food engineering at scale.
Millions of meals prepared.
Distribution completes the journey. A simple meal, precisely made. Engineering enables reliability. This is modern beef ravioli manufacturing.